Mathematicians, this is Mrs. Walters again, and it is so great to see you. I have been thinking about attributes. Yeah, try that word. Do you remember us talking about that? Yeah, attributes are how you can describe something, what you notice about something that's special about it. And so we have talked about that before, and then we also have been comparing things and sorting them. Well, guess what? I want to teach you that you can do that all the time. Maybe even when you're like out in nature or you are cleaning up your toys, because mathematicians are always noticing and thinking. And mathematicians, I want to teach you that we can compare things. We can think about how are they alike and different, and then we can sort them, and maybe we could even count them and share our thinking with others. So, I was talking about being outside. Take a look at all of these leaves. Can you see them? Let's study them for a minute. Oh, look at how different they all are. Well, I decided I was going to sort them on my sorting mat, only in two groups. I want you to see if you can guess my rule. Because if I sorted them in a way that you're able to tell, then I did a nice job of sorting them. So let's study them. Let's notice how are they alike and different. How are all of these the same? Did you notice? I think they all have points on them. Look at that. These are kind of hard to see. So these are pointy leaves. What about these leaves? Oh yeah, they're curved. Do you see that too? Was that what you guessed my rule was? Pointy leaves, curved leaves. Notice how all of these have the pointy part alike, and these are different because they have a curved edge. I can also notice which group there's more leaves in and which one there's fewer. Ooh, which one has fewer, smaller amount? I would agree. So we would say the curved leaves have fewer leaves in it. How many are there? Well, two pictures, right? And the pointy leaves have more. How many of those are there? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we could say there are more pointy leaves because there's 9 of them, and there are less curved leaves because there's only 2 of them. Do you see how I did that? All right, I decided to resort my leaves. Let's see if you can figure out my rule. Are you ready? Let's really study them and compare. How are the leaves in this grouping alike? How are these alike each other? But then how are they different? What do you notice? Oh, these are leaves that are bunched up. And then these are leaves that are not bunched up. There's like a single leaf in each picture. Interesting. Do you see how I shared my thinking about the rule? Is that what you were thinking? Now, we also could take a look at which group has the most in it. I agree. The ones that have the single leaf or the one leaf. How many are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. So there are 8 single leaves or one in each picture. And then there's how many here? Did you say 3? You just knew it in a snap? Yeah. So there's fewer in bunches in these pictures than there are just a single one or just one. Did you see how we didn't just say which one had the most and which one had the fewest? We actually counted and we could share those numbers. Now, I want you to see if you can guess how my rule in this next one. Let's think how I might sort them. How did I sort them? What is my rule? Did you say by color? I agree. There's 1, 2, 3 green ones. There's 1, 2, 3 red ones, and then there's 1 yellow one. Yes, I did sort them by color. Now, if that is my rule, where would this one go? Oh, in the middle because it's red. And then where would this leaf go? Over here because it's green. Oh, I see another green one. And then this one would go here. Yes. So the rule of this one is that we sorted them by their color. So we were able to compare how they were alike by their color in this sorting. Now we could also count them, couldn't we? I wonder which one there's more of. I'm going to already guess the green because it just looks like there's more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then red, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then yellow, 1, 2. So I could say there's more green than red or yellow. What could I say about the yellow? There's fewer yellow, yes, than the red and the green. Did you see how we shared our thinking? Mathematicians, I hope that you may even be able to get outside today and do some exploring and maybe even create a collection yourself, maybe even of leaves. And maybe you too could sort them. You could think, how are they alike and different? And then create a rule for your sorting. You could even see if somebody else could guess your rule. Because when we sort, we always sort by a rule. And then we can share our thinking with others. Off you go.